In today's video, I want to show you how to download Telegram. If you are new to Telegram, the type of device you use will determine where you are going to download it from. If you are using an Android device, you want to go to Play Store to download the Telegram. And if you are using an iOS device, that is an iPhone, then you want to go to the App Store to download it. So for this tutorial, we are using an iPhone. So we are going to the Play Store now, to the App Store rather. So let's open up our App Store. So as you can see, this is the home page of the App Store. So once you open up this page, what do you want to do next to download this Telegram? You want to check the bottom right corner. You are going to see the search icon. I want you to tap on that. So once you tap on that search icon, if you check the top, you are going to see an empty search space over there. I want you to type into that space. I want you to type in Telegram. So once you tap in Telegram, it will load up the Telegram for you. So you just want to tap on Telegram Messenger on here. So once you tap on this Telegram Messenger, you can see the Telegram is already on my device. That is why it is telling me to update. For your own case, because you are new to Telegram, you are going to tap on this download, and the Telegram will be downloaded to your iOS device successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually download Telegram on your phone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.